Welcome to another edition of Dan Frequently Asked Questions. In this edition, we've got an interesting one, a diver wanting to know whether or not it's safe to dive a few hours after getting a chiropractic adjustment. Now, that's a very interesting question. First of all, I would want to know why the individual has had or has needed the chiropractic adjustment, because that may suggest that this person has an underlying back abnormality and that may indeed pose a potential problem if they were, for instance, to go on a bumpy boat ride. Secondly, if they have muscle spasm and they've taken medication in addition to the chiropractic procedure, the medication may be sedating, and that would be a further indication or a potential contraindication to go diving. And thirdly, the process of chiropraxy does cause a cracking of the joints, which is what we call vaporous cavitation, much when you pop your knuckles, but that settles very, very quickly and as such should not produce any undue risk for instance, decompression illness after diving. But I'd really like to know why it's essential, or why you have considered it to be essential to get the chiropractic treatment prior to diving. If it's just coincidental and you're fully relaxed and there's no medication involved and you're not concerned that your back has an underlying disc problem that you are managing, for instance, with chiropraxy, then there should be no reason for you to have problems diving. However, in many cases, individuals who have gone regularly to a chiropractor have an underlying back condition that ultimately may result in a ruptured disc. And if that happens, and particularly out at sea after a bumpy boat ride, it can be a hazardous condition and even life-threatening. So make sure that you don't put yourself in harm's way. Until next time, safe diving.